Hello everybody, today we are going to work on this bobble stitch. This is really fast and easy to make. What we have to do, we are going to start to make some chain. It really depends to the size you like, but remember for this pattern you need to have even number. I'm going to stop here. What I have to do, I'm going to grab the yarn, insert my hook in the second one, and just make one half double crochet. You keep continue to make half double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. This is the setup row, and the pattern is going to be a start in the front side of the project. The one I'm going to do it now is setup row. Yes, we are going to make half double crochet in each chain, and I'll be back. Now I already finished the row by make a half double crochet. You have to have even number, then chain 1, return the work. What we have to do, we are going to skip that one and then insert my hook in the second one and try to make double crochet but not finish it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you look at here, I have 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one considered as a edge. So I'm going to just pull yarn through all. As you can see, the bubble start appear. For the next stitch, I'm going to make only single crochet. We repeat the pattern again. Insert my hook here and make 5 double crochet but not finished. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I'm going to take the yarn like that and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. As you can see here, bubble is on the other row. We repeat again here in the next chain to make another bubble. Three, 4, and 5. When it comes in 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are going to take together and we make 1 single crochet in the next chain, like that. We're going to repeat this one until the end of the row, and I'll be back. Now I already finished the row. When it comes to the last part, I prefer to have 1 chain to make that bubble finish. Then I'm going to start to make 1 single crochet here, like that. This is the row 1. Row 2, we are going to chain 2, return the work. What we have to do now, we are going to make again like row 1 half double crochet on each of this chain. You can see here what we have to do. I insert my hook. Now because I already made that one, I insert my hook here, the big one, and make half double crochet. Now it's time to make in the small one. Sometimes the yarn and again the one in the big one like this, and we repeat one here, one here, one here, one here until the end of the row. But always just make sure the one we made this row is gonna be exactly the amount of the first row. One more. I'm going to go finish the work and I'll be back, but you have to make one half double crochet on each chain here. Now I finished the row. When it comes to that part, always make sure to make one on the top of the chain like that, then chain 1 and return the work. And in this pattern we are going to have the bobble exactly on the top of each bobble, so it means that I'm going to skip that one and start the pattern in the second one. So I'm going to make 5 double crochet but not finish, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just I make it together. And in the next stitch I'm going to make one single crochet. As you can see here, the bobble comes exactly on the top of that one. Here, this is really important. You have to always check, because if you made a mistake, the bobble is not gonna be in the same direction. And that's all. We're going to repeat again these 2 rows by make one row all half double crochet. The other row you are going to make the bobble like this and one single crochet like that. If you repeat this one until the end of the row, you are going to, after few rows, you are going to have the pattern like this. As you can see here, each bobble is exactly is on the top of another bobble. This is the back side of the work and this is the front side. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.